Right now, everyone's fighting over the same overpriced neighborhoods in Northern Virginia, but they are completely missing out on some hidden gems in the suburbs. What if I told you that in 2026, these under the radar areas are set to explode? Want to know where? Let me show you exactly where to focus your investment. In this video, I will be walking you through the best investment opportunities in Northern Virginia for 2026. We are talking about areas fueled by billion-dollar projects, major job growth, and unbeaten potential for equity growth. I'll give you a deep dive into where these suburbs are heading and which ones you should pay attention to before they blow up. We'll also explore some undervalued gems that are ready to boom in 2026 and how you can capitalize on them now. Let's dive in, starting with the biggest opportunities and how timing your investment correctly can make all the difference. If you are serious about investing in 2026, you won't want to miss this. Before we dive into specifics, let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. In recent years, the Northern Virginia market has been all over the place with high prices, fluctuating interest rates, and low inventory. But now, as we head into 2026, the market is starting to stabilize, and that's great news for investors. We are seeing a shift to a more balanced market, which is perfect for strategic investors like you. This means you no longer have to rush to make decisions or worry about bidding wars driving prices through the roof. Instead, 2026 presents a unique opportunity to invest in areas that are ripe for growth, but only if you know where to look. Now, when it comes to investing in real estate, there are a few key things to consider: job growth, population trends, new infrastructure projects, and of course, affordability. So, where should you invest in 2026 to get the best returns? Let's break it down. Let's talk about Ashburn first, one of the biggest opportunities for real estate investors right now. Ashburn is already home to some major tech hubs and data centers, but in 2026, it's going to see explosive growth. The area is one of the fastest growing suburbs hubs in Northern Virginia, and with Amazon, Verizon, and other giants investing in the area, home prices are poised to rise significantly. The current median price in Ashburn is about $600,000, but over the next few years, prices are expected to increase by 8 to 10% due to the influx of tech jobs and corporate relocations. The area's demand for housing is only going to increase as more businesses set up shop and employees move in. If you invest now, you are getting in just before the boom. And it's not just about buying homes. Ashburn is becoming an investment hub for commercial real estate as well. With continued commercial growth, rental properties and multifamily units are a gold mine for investors. The tech-driven economy and quality schools make Ashburn an attractive location for families and professionals alike. Another area to keep an eye on is Reston. The development of the Silver Line Metro extension, which is expected to be fully operational by 2026, is going to make Reston a major transportation hub. Imagine a master plan community with easy access to the city and close proximity to all of Northern Virginia's job centers. This is where demand is going to skyrocket. The median price in Reston is around $550,000, but once the Silver Line connects the area directly to DC, prices are expected to surge as commuters flock to Reston's central location. If you are looking for a long-term investment in a community with future growth potential, Reston is one to watch. Both Ashburn and Reston are high-growth areas with solid job bases, excellent schools, and future infrastructure development. Investing in these suburbs now allows you to maximize your return on investments as they continue to develop and evolve. But we are not done yet. Let's talk about a few more hidden gems that are poised for growth in 2026. Let's take a closer look at Manassas. This suburb is seeing tremendous growth thanks to its proximity to major highways and access to both DC and Northern Virginia. The median home price here is still very affordable at $400,000, and yet it's seeing substantial development in both residential and commercial spaces. Manassas is going through a rejuvenation of its downtown area with new businesses businesses, parks, and restaurants popping up. It's a great time to invest here because affordable properties combined with strong growth make it an undervalued gem. Investor friendly and full of potential, Manassas should be on your radar if you are looking for a long-term hold. Now, for those of you looking for strategic buys in areas with planned growth, let's talk about Woodbridge. This suburb is currently undergoing significant revitalization with the new public transit connections and major redevelopment projects underway. The price point is still lower than surrounding areas, making it a smart entry for investors who want to get in before prices take off. Woodbridge is also seeing more businesses move in, creating a vibrant economy that will support long-term rental demand. The development of new retail, entertainment, and residential projects means you will have an opportunity to buy into a community that's growing rapidly but still offers affordable entry prices for investment properties. All these areas, Manassas, Woodbridge, Ashburn, and Reston, are poised for growth. They each have unique characteristics, from affordable housing to excellent transportation access, but the common denominator is they are all seeing strong investment potential in 2026. Now let's talk about why 2026 is shaping up to be the perfect year for investors. We are entering a more balanced market, meaning less competition that we have seen in the past few years, especially with rising interest rates. But here's the thing, a balanced market doesn't mean things are slowing down. It means that supply and demand are coming into an equilibrium. For investors, this means more negotiating power. You won't have to deal with crazy bidding wars. You will be able to pick and choose which properties to invest in without feeling rushed. And when you combine this balanced market with strong local economies and new developments in these Northern Virginia suburbs, it creates a perfect opportunity for long-term investment growth. While interest rates may still be on the higher end, they have stabilized, and that allows for more predictability when you are making your investment decisions. And remember, affordability in these suburbs still gives you the ability to lock in property values that are going to appreciate in the next few years, especially as infrastructure development kicks into high gear. Long term, this is an ideal market for those who want to get in early and ride the wave of growth rather than trying to jump into a crazy market where you are competing for the few available properties. If you are patient, you can buy in the right places at reasonable prices and grow your portfolio steadily. So what's the next step for you? In 2026, invest smartly in the Northern Virginia market, whether you are looking for rental properties, flips, or long-term holds. Now is the time to get in before these areas explode in value. DM me investment for a free consultation, and let's talk about how you can capitalize on Northern Virginia's best opportunities in 2026. If you are serious about building your real estate portfolio this year, I'm here to help guide you every step of the way. Thanks for watching. If you are looking to invest in Northern Virginia real estate in 2026, don't wait. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't want to miss any future updates on these high growth suburbs and investment tips. Let's make 2026 your year of investment success. Whether you are new to investing or looking to add more properties to your portfolio, now is the time to make your move in Northern Virginia. Let's connect and I'll help you navigate this exciting market. Before you go, check out the links in the description for more resources on real estate investing. And if you want to see some of these neighborhoods in action, take a look at my property tours and other helpful videos. I'll be back with more content to guide you to the best investment opportunities in the Northern Virginia real estate market.